Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am playing the new Animal Company update. So it's called the skiing update, or I think it's called the mountains update. And then let's see, these are stuff you can get. They put the new stuff on like a separate thing. You can get a hot cocoa, ski pole, like skis, and then ski boards. To get to the map, you have to go over here. Like it like this. So like the area that I said before in my other Christmas video, the frozen lake came back. I said that there might be an update over here. Oh, frick. And the snow is slippery in this map, so you can buy like the snowboards, the 671. It's probably one of my favorites, but I do not have the research points. And then you can get this one for ski pole for 1 research point, and these are free. The ski shoes. Then the Stessel snowboard is what you get for going into the cabin, the dark cabin. The monsters, I don't think they can be killed with weapons. You have to kill them with light, just like shine your light on them. And then you have to bring the key to a vault, which then you have to do like a snow course or obstacle course. Skiing again. But there's checkpoints in the course, so yeah. And then at the end of the course, you get like tape, and then you have to. So this one's where cabin, and you have to put in the OG map. You have to put. Probably some projector or something. It's gonna show you all the content. So, did I pass it yet? I have not passed it. So, that way up there was to the cabin if you go this way. To get to the wall, you just have to keep on going down. This area. Here. Where you get the keys and all those. The cabin is dark, so I recommend using a flashlight, but yeah, you can use a flashlight as a weapon. And then over here is where the vault is. You have to put the key in the middle, right over there. And then it's gonna open the vault and then you go all the way down. Probably the best thing in this whole entire update is they added the OG map back. I don't know if it's gonna stay forever, but it's like the end of the Animal Company. Like the ending, I guess, like to beat the game, like win the games. Instead of just going around for like hours or something, you can actually beat the game. I found the snow course like a lot harder. It's very annoying, to be honest. But eventually, I'm pretty sure I'll do it. And then, after you do the snow forest, you just have to go over here. Lost my momentum. These things can do just red and blue ones. I don't know if the red ones do more speed. They do different speeds. And then there's also checkpoints. It's a checkpoint, I'm pretty sure it's also a booster. No, I think those are just boosters, honestly. But yeah, I'm pretty sure. I was thinking the boosters were the checkpoints. Those are just boosters, and then, like after you get past the booster or something, if you're too far, it just spawns. Let's come back around here. Not the like little docks that used to be here. It's kind of nostalgic times. pretty easy to do the course if you're big, like infinitely big. You can just do that. This is also how much money I have. Stole things. So I have a little stash here. Sewing machine and little. What's it called? Like the place that you headset. I remember when Office wasn't here, and then like when the zombie mode came out, the zombies were always like you can meet them in here, or like if you were fighting wars, people used to go in here instead of stage 5. It was like there's like so much hiding tactics, and someone would come and shoot them. So much good memories were around here. And then you put the tape on this yellow part, and it starts playing it, and then like a portal will open up. It gives you a lot of company coins. Oh, let me see how much company coins I got from that. I don't know how much the amount each one gives, but I think it gives a lot. I'm pretty sure I had like 1,000 before. I don't know. I wasn't paying attention when I did it before. Let's see if I can keep hold. No one. I don't know what company was like newly, just a few months old, or like 2. I found Forest the most funnest thing, only because of English, of course. Brings me back to old good memories. The plants used to be here. The computer was right there. And once I can go in the screen. This is where the old shop was. Pretty nice. So let's go inside. The dailies were like somewhere around here. Daily quest of the research points. I remembered where Sewers before. I don't think it was even over here. I forgot. I think it was in before. I looking for now where Sewers was before. Not over here. Where Sewers used to be. Locked up now. Can't really do anything this map, but kinda you can just imagine what was there before in your mind if you're OG. Pretty nice, but it's pretty much what they added over here. Let's get the stash first. I remember when the stash was here before. It was snowy. Are you kidding me? Let's see in my bag. This one. Arena guns in here. Anyways, that's pretty much the whole update. I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and it is the 19th. Christmas is very soon. I hope you guys have the greatest Christmas. Bye.